Chicken breast. This is perhaps the most recognizable lean protein in the modern diet, prized by athletes and home cooks alike for its high protein to calorie ratio. It comes from the pectoral muscle of the bird and is characterized by its neutral flavor and lack of connective tissue. Because it contains very little fat, it cooks quickly, but can become dry if left on the heat for too long, making it a versatile canvas for various seasonings and sauces across almost every global cuisine.
Eggs, often referred to as the gold standard of protein, these are one of the few sources that contain all 9 essential amino acids in the exact proportions the human body needs. While the whites contain the bulk of the protein, the yolks provide healthy fats and essential vitamins like B12 and choline. They have been a staple of human nutrition for millennia because they are inexpensive, easy to store, and can be prepared in dozens of different ways, from boiling to poaching.
Beef ribeye. This represents a more calorie-dense protein source where the meat is marbled with intramuscular fat. This fat melts during the cooking process, basting the meat from the inside and providing a rich, savory flavor that lean cuts lacks. Historically, beef was a luxury reserved for special occasions, but it is now a primary source of iron and zinc in many Western diets. The texture is much hardier than poultry, requiring a different approach to temperature and resting times to ensure the fibers remain tender.
Lentils. These small lens-shaped legumes are a cornerstone of plant-based nutrition, particularly in South Asian and Middle Eastern cultures. Unlike animal proteins, lentils are packed with dietary fiber, which helps regulate digestion and provides a steady release of energy. They come in various colors, including red, green, and black, each with a different texture, ranging from mushy to firm. They are an environmentally efficient protein source, requiring significantly less water and land to produce than livestock.
Salmon. This oily fish is famous not just for its protein content, but for its high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health. Most salmon found in grocery stores is either wild-caught from the Pacific or farm-raised in the Atlantic, with the former often having a deeper red color due to a diet of natural crustaceans. The flesh has a distinct flaky texture and a fatty richness that allows it to stand up well to grilling, smoking, or even being eaten raw in sushi.
Greek yogurt. This is a concentrated form of dairy protein created by straining regular yogurt to remove the liquid whey. This process results in a much thicker, creamier consistency and nearly double the protein content of standard yogurt. It originated as a traditional food in Mediterranean regions, but exploded in popularity globally in the early 2000s as a health food. It is naturally tart and contains live bacterial cultures, or probiotics, which support a healthy gut microbiome. Tofu. Created from condensed soy milk that is pressed into solid white blocks, this has been a primary protein source in East Asia for over 2,000 years. It is unique because it comes in various textures, from silken and soft to extra firm, depending on how much water is pressed out during production. Tofu is virtually flavorless on its own, which allows it to absorb the flavors of the marinades and spices it is cooked with, making it an essential meat substitute in stir-fries and soups. Whey protein powder. This is a byproduct of the cheese-making process, where the liquid left over from curdling milk is captured and dried into a concentrated powder. It is one of the fastest digesting proteins available, which is why it is commonly used in shakes immediately following physical exercise. While it is a processed supplement rather than a whole food, it remains the most popular choice for individuals looking to increase their daily protein intake without adding significant amounts of carbohydrates or fats. Pork tenderloin. Frequently called the other white meat, this cut is located along the backbone of the pig and is remarkably lean, comparable to a skinless chicken breast. It is a tender muscle because it does very little heavy lifting, resulting in a fine grain and a mild flavor profile. It serves as a middle ground for many people, offering a different micronutrient profile than poultry, including high levels of thiamine, while remaining much lower in saturated fat than other cuts of pork, like bacon or ribs. From the lean chicken breast in your meal prep to the plant-based power of lentils and quinoa, protein is the fundamental building block of the human body. But not all proteins are created equal. In this video, we break down every major protein source you encounter in your daily life, explaining where they come from, how they differ in amino acid profiles, and why certain sources are better for specific goals. Whether you are looking for the fast-digesting benefits of whey, the heart-healthy fats in salmon, or the fiber-rich profile of legumes, this guide covers the science and history behind the world's most common protein staples. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just every protein source explained.